Okay, so in this demo, we're going to see the real-time data extraction, categorization, and automatic matching those receipts and invoices to the banking feed that is provided by Yodlee. So what we're looking at is a team of 5, and me as an admin, I can access to all the data that my users collected. Also, I integrated this company profile with the bank account, and that data comes from Yodlee. And actually connecting credit cards and banking feeds with Yodlee is just a matter of clicking a couple buttons, entering the account information, and done. It populates all these data in my Veryfi account. And let's look at Matt's credit card, what he's been up to. And as we can see, there are certain transactions that still do not have matching documents. So let's wait for Matt to collect those documents and reconcile this credit card. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we're going to switch to Matt's mobile app. So let's say Matt's somewhere on a field, and he's going to collect. And as you can see, the camera starts picking up the receipt that's laying on a table. And when I tap on the scan button, it automatically crops it, removes all the background, and let's submit it to the server. So what's happening on the server is that what Ernest explained. Our machine models run through all this data, extracting all the data, categorizing this receipt, and machine models were able to classify this as a category of the cost of goods sold, materials, and supplies. And it was also able to figure out what was the credit card that Matt was using to pay for this expense, the total, the date, then it even figured out the location. It's in San Mateo, and as well as tax. All right, so this one was easy. Now, let's imagine that Matt went to a restaurant and had a receipt where he put the handwritten total and handwritten tip. You saw how that was able to find the receipt, crop it, extract all the background, and let's submit this one. So we trained our models to recognize even the handwritten data. And you saw how quick it was. It was under 3 seconds for it to find the place name, the document date, categorize it to the meals and entertainment, found the tip, the total, the payment card that was used. And if you look at this receipt, it's not as easy even for humans to read the vendor name on it. But because of so many data points that exist on this receipt, like address, merchant ID, and some other extra information, we were able to understand and put it into the right vendor. Now, let's get back to the bank feed and check Matt's credit card. Here we go. So the Home Depot receipt has been already matched to the transaction, and it's probably going to take another 1 or 2 seconds for Umami Burger receipt that we just scanned to be matched to the transaction as well. While it's still doing it, let's switch to the timesheet product that Ernest described previously. We can see that Matt is also clocked in on the Yodlee project dining area renovation. And if we click on a team location, we can see that, yes, Matt is at Yodlee office. And we can zoom out and see it. Matt is working on that location. And let's quickly switch to the Timesheets app. And we can see that my Timesheets application automatically clocked me in as soon as I arrived to the Yodlee office. And as soon as I leave it, the geofence will notify my application to clock out, and it will address the issue of inaccurate timesheets. And also the admin is always aware where the team is working at. All right, that was the demo.
And that is very sweet.